CustomSuspension.com. This here is our C4500, C5500 front and rear custom springs. The top ones here, these are our 12-inch custom springs. So if you're looking to lift up your Kodiak Topkick, 12 inches in the front, that's going to be the custom springs you'd get from us. All custom hand built, Teflon anti-friction pads, standard diamond cut leaves. All their springs come with spring clips and bushings. And then the bottom here is our 8-inch spring in the back. Still going to utilize part of his block in the bottom. Probably going to have a 4-inch block in the bottom. That's our 8-inch custom spring. Again, bushings, standard Teflon pads, diamond cut leaves. So if you're looking to get some custom springs for your C4500 or C5500, you're looking for somebody to build you some custom springs, look us up at CustomSuspension.com. Carrier spring service. We can custom build you any kind of custom spring you're looking for these trucks. Just give us a holler, make them up. Waiting list always varies. CustomSuspension.com, carrier spring. This is Tyler.